They told you money couldn't buy happiness. They lied. Look at that face. Is that the grimace of existential dread? No, friends, that's the ecstatic grin of a 25-year-old millionaire sipping mojitos by the infinity pool with her soulmate after a day spent cruising the Amalfi Coast in her own damn sports car. Now, I'm not here to peddle fairy tales. Building wealth in your 20s, especially in this economy, sounds like a myth, right? Wrong. But here's the thing. Most people approach personal finance like they're playing Monopoly with Monopoly money. They spend everything they get, chase fleeting pleasures, and wonder where the years and the cash went. Look, I get it. You're young, you're vibrant, you want to live life to the fullest. But newsflash. True fulfillment doesn't come from the latest phone you can't afford. It comes from security, freedom, the power to choose your own path. And that, my friends, requires building wealth and building it smartly. But here's the catch. Blind consumerism and instant gratification won't get you there. You need a plan, a strategy, a set of actionable steps that separate the champagne-popping millionaires from the ramen-slurping paycheck-to-payechkas. So, buckle up, young guns, because in this video, I'm dropping 10 red-hot, laser-focused tactics that will turn your 20s into a wealth-building blitz. These aren't fluffy platitudes, folks. These are the battle-tested secrets of real-life 20-something millionaires, myself included. Ready to rewrite your financial narrative? Then hit that subscribe button because when we come back, we're about to dissect the first myth that's holding you back. 1. Time travel for your money, forget the DeLorean. The most powerful time machine you have is right in your pocket, compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to snowball into a ridiculous fortune, thanks to this financial superpower. Don't be intimidated by the stock market jargon. Think of it like planting magic money trees. Every dollar you invest today grows exponentially over time, turning your pocket change into a retirement beach house later. Remember, every later starts with a now, so get your money working for you, not the other way around. Pro tip: don't wait for that mythical perfect time to start investing. The market will fluctuate, that's inevitable, but remember, time is your greatest asset. Start small, be consistent, and let compound interest do its magic. 2. Budget like a boss. Budgeting isn't about deprivation or eating instant noodles for every meal. It's about taking control of your finances, like a Jedi Master wielding a lightsaber against the dark side of impulse spending. Track your income and expenses with the precision of a hawk. Find out where your money is disappearing like Houdini in a magic show and slash unnecessary spending with the ruthlessness of a budget samurai. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest in your future, your freedom, your dreams. There are tons of budgeting apps and tools out there to make it easy, even kind of fun. P.S. I will make another video to list some of the budgeting apps and tools that you can use. Pro tip: remember, budgeting isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. Regularly review your spending habits, adjust your budget as needed, and don't be afraid to make tweaks as your income and goals evolve. 3. Multiple income streams, escape the salary cage, ditch the punch clock, and liberate yourself from the shackles of a single paycheck. Building multiple income streams is your ticket to financial freedom, the ultimate FU to the Monday blues. It's like having a team of hustlers working for you around the clock, even while you're catching some sleep or sipping margaritas on a beach. Think freelance gigs, online businesses, side hustles that ignite your passions. Maybe you're a graphic design wizard who moonlights on Fiverr. Perhaps you're a baking queen selling mouth-watering cookies on Etsy. Or maybe you're a coding whiz building websites for clients on the side. The possibilities are endless, as vast as the internet itself. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of small, consistent efforts. Start with one side hustle, master it, then scale it, or add another one to your financial arsenal. Remember, every extra dollar you earn is a step closer to that #laptop lifestyle. 4. Invest in yourself, the ultimate asset. Sharpen your existing skills, acquire new ones like a magpie collecting shiny objects. Take online courses, attend workshops, network with inspiring people. Devour books like a starving bibliophile, learn from the best, and become an unstoppable force of knowledge and expertise. Remember, the more valuable you are, the more your skills and talents will pay off in the long run. I have listed some books that helped me to achieve financial freedom. Pro tip: don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, the most valuable investments are rarely easy, but the rewards are always worth it. 5. Debt, the dreaded dragon. Debt is the financial monster under your bed, the gremlin stealing your hard-earned cash. High-interest credit cards, soul-crushing student loans. They're like chains dragging you down, preventing you from reaching your financial Everest. Tackle them with the ferocity of a dragon slayer. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Every dollar you throw at that monster is a dollar saved in the long run. Explore debt consolidation options, negotiate lower interest rates, and remember, every small victory is a step towards financial freedom. Pro tip: remember, debt isn't always the enemy. Good debt, like mortgages for investment properties, can be a tool for wealth creation. But always be mindful of your debt-to-income ratio and avoid getting into bad debt that can cripple your financial future. 6. Embrace Fugaciousness, live well, spend wisely. Frugal doesn't mean boring. Think of it as financial ninja training, mastering the art of living well without splurging on every latte. Cook delicious meals at home, explore free entertainment options, ditch the expensive gym memberships for park workouts. Hello, sunshine and endorphins. Remember, frugality isn't deprivation, it's about conscious spending, prioritizing experiences over fleeting material possessions. Pro tip: challenge yourself to find creative ways to save. Can you negotiate lower bills, borrow books instead of buying them, or swap clothes with friends? Embrace the frugal life and watch your savings grow like magic beans. 7. Automate your wins, set it and forget it. Think of automation as your financial autopilot. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts, so saving becomes effortless. Schedule bill payments to avoid late fees and automate recurring purchases to snag the best deals. Trust technology to be your diligent financial assistant, freeing you up to focus on chasing your dreams. Pro tip: leverage technology to your advantage. Use budgeting apps, investment platforms, and bill pay tools to automate your finances and watch your wealth grow on autopilot. 8. Embrace the side hustle. Multiple income streams rock. Remember those multiple income streams we talked about earlier? It's time to unleash your inner hustler. Freelance your skills, sell your crafts online, rent out a spare room. Turn your passions into profit, like a baker crafting financial freedom with every batch of sourdough. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of small, consistent efforts. Start with one side hustle, master it, and then scale it, or add another one to your financial arsenal. Remember, every extra ringgit you earn is a step closer to financial freedom. 9. Knowledge is power. Invest in your mind. Your greatest asset isn't a fancy car or a designer bag, it's your knowledge and skills. Continuously learn and grow like a tree reaching for the sun. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, network with inspiring people. Sharpen your existing skills, acquire new ones, and become an unstoppable force of expertise. Pro tip: embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, the most valuable investments are rarely easy, but the rewards are always worth it. 10. Seek guidance, find your tribe. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Find a mentor, join a financial community, connect with like-minded individuals who are also on their wealth-building journey. Share tips, learn from each other's experiences, and hold each other accountable. Remember, you don't have to navigate this alone. Your 20s aren't just about surviving, they're about thriving, building a foundation for a life you truly love. By implementing these 10 proven strategies, you can break free from financial limitations, chase your dreams, and build wealth that lasts. You don't need a magic wand or a lottery ticket, just the right mindset, consistent action, and maybe a sprinkle of financial ninja skills. So, ditch the FOMO, embrace the hustle, and get ready to write your own financial success story. Go out there, build your wealth, and live the life you deserve. Want more actionable tips and financial hacks? Leave a comment below and subscribe for more videos. Remember, your financial revolution starts now.